Welcome to another step-by-step maintenance guide for the Pro X robot. In this video, we will walk you through maintaining the battery housing and rail, either before or after using the robot.
Okay, so why do I need to do this?
That's a great question, because proper maintenance matters. This guide is designed to prolong your robot's lifespan and ensure the highest level of performance every time you use it. Make sure the battery housing and the rail are clear of debris. You can do this by hand, with a long tool, or by using compressed air. It's also helpful to have a flashlight. If the battery rail is full of grass or debris, it can prevent the battery from connecting properly. Using a long tool, gently reach down and tap the back and the two brass pins. Be careful not to push too hard. If the pins are corroded or the back box is broken, the battery will not maintain a consistent connection, which can cause the robot to randomly power off. We are going to lift the robot to access the battery box. Take hold of the bottom of the frame with one hand and the top of the frame with the other hand. Then gently lift the front of the robot, tilt it backward, and rest it on the white antenna. Please be careful not to drop the robot on the antenna. The antenna is designed to support the weight of the robot, but only if it is placed carefully. It is important that the battery housing is not compromised. Make sure the entrance is not bent. Then check that the locking hole is clear. Look under the housing to confirm everything looks okay. Pay attention to the black plastic at the bottom of the rail. It should not be cracked. Finally, check the hole at the back, but make sure the entire housing is straight and properly aligned. If the housing is damaged or bent, the battery might not slide in cleanly. Lastly, it is critical to ensure the main power cable is not damaged. Check along the length of the cable, between the hole and the connector. Then confirm that the 3 zip ties are intact. Finally, look at the surface of the cable to make sure there are no signs of wear or tear. Okay. If you need any additional help or information, please reach out to our support department at support@tinymobilerobots.com. Or alternatively, you can find more resources at help.tinylinemarker.com. That's everything for this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.